it's all about. Now it's time for
Maiden, mother crone, always, always home. He's the whisper in the wild night air, the first spark, the reckless dare. Running barefoot through the unknown, she is freedom, she is hope, she is maiden. Every face carries the flame. Every ending is just another name. She is thunder, she is rain, she is mercy, holding pain. From her body, worlds are grown. She is power, she is love, she is mother. Every face carries the flame. Every ending is just another name. A maiden, mother crone, three faces, one soul, rising like the moon, silver, fierce and whole. Through the years, through the fire, through the storm, she is the goddess. She is her own. She's the ashes, she's the spark,